All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama Inu. Yep, this cryptocurrency is jumping. The SAITAMASK just got released. We're going to go over that, play a little video, all kinds of good stuff. Go to the website, go to their Twitter. This token has been jumping. It's been jumping pretty good. That's why we're covering it. Also, we're going to talk about if you're 45 years old, how much money you need to save per month to be a millionaire at the age of 65. Now, there's going to be, if you're getting a 3% interest rate, how much you would need to save. If you're getting a 6% interest rate, what you would need to save, and a 9%. But this is not, it's more savings and becoming a millionaire at 65. You could do it with crypto, but this is a flat amount of money per month to save to be a millionaire at age 65. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So being a Sunday, Tom Brady's been on the tube talking about what he's getting into, which is cryptocurrency. He's also talking about doing a trade. Well, the trade is not trading from Tampa Bay to a different team. He's doing the trade with cryptocurrency. So Sunday and Monday, you get fortunate that the NFL gets to pump the crypto with Tom Brady. FTX is always right there. Also, crypto.com, they're running their commercials. FTX and crypto.com are going to be big players in the Super Bowl this year in February. And when people say, what's our favorite commercial? Probably going to be a crypto commercial. You heard it here first from Frank's Crypto Corner. All right, let's go over to Saitama Inu. All right, number 2831 on CoinMarketCap. Saitama Inu. It's actually up about 1% in the last 7 days. It's down 8% in the last 24 hours. Not quite discount buy land. Clicking it. All right, take a look. It's almost down 10% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do a price prediction a little bit later. 7 zeros and a 51.92. Last 7 days, it actually kind of was down, and then it kind of went up a lot, and it was hanging up at the top, and then it looks like it kind of just came back down exactly where it was at. So if you happen to be getting in on this, I mean, this is when it all went up. All right, checking the holders real quick to see Saitama Inu, how many do they have? Click 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, about 66,000 holders. Right now, today, 311. That's right, it's a 5x. We got 5 times more people holding Saitama Inu. All right, over here at the Twitter account. Hey guys, I am more than excited about the release of SAITAMASK. Today only solidified my focus, and if anyone thinks they have seen something, they have seen nothing yet. I'll be focusing on Saitama obsessively and making sure I focus on the wolf pack. Our mission is important. So it says, we experienced a massive bot attack on our sign-up API, which caused disruption. We restricted the use of current while we migrated the attack. We're updating the app, and it is under normal operation, currently ETA 9 p.m. This little step-by-step, it's like 2 minutes long. We're going to come back a little bit later and go over this a little bit. All right, so this is the new SAITAMASK. Again, over here at the Twitter account, thought that was pretty big. Let's go back over to the website. SAITAMASK fostering the future of finance right on the website. Welcome to Saitama Inu, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being and empowering people of all ages, cultures, and in control of the money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 with smart codes that make it safe to invest and benefit to all. Says our mission: to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at the early stages of monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistribute wealth, and give anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but the global decentralized finance to become reality that they will need not only to overcome technology hurdles, but also simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money they invest, open unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. All right, everyone. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Saitama Inu, is this a token you've been looking at? Is it on your radar? Is it on your radar now? SAITAMASK, I think that's pretty cool too. All right, if you're 45 years old and you want to be a millionaire by the time you're 65, that's 20 years, just saving money. How much money do you need to save per month to be a millionaire? Now, here we go. Let's dig over to the article. Don't forget to like the like button, everyone. How much money a 45-year-old should invest each month to become a millionaire by age 65? There are 3 extremely important elements which come to investing your money. The important that you must contribute each month. So number 1, every month you got to do that. The second is the rate. What is the rate of return you're going to get? And then third, keeping this in mind that you can invest your way to financial independence, regardless of how that looks for you, if it means having $1 million. All right, so here we go. So they're doing a thing. When calculating it, there's going to be 3 rates they're going to use. They're going to use the 3% right here that I highlighted. They're going to use a 6% right there that I highlighted, and they're going to use a 9%. So let's go one at a time. A 3% is a conservative portfolio, mostly of bonds. Okay, so right here, if you're making an investment that yields you 3% a year and you're 45, you would have to invest roughly $3,100 a month to reach $1 million by age 65. $3,100 a month is roughly around $38,000 to $40,000 a year. So 3 times 12 is $36,000. So $37,200. So you got to put $37,200 away every single year, $3,100 a month, and you're a millionaire when you're 65 with that 3% return. All right, the second group of people at a 6%. This is a combination of stocks and bonds. So if you're 45 and you're getting around a 6% return, you would have to contribute roughly $2,200 a month or around $26,000 a year. So 6%, you're looking around $2,200 a month. And then when you're 65 years old, you have $1 million saved. The third category is 9%. And a 9%, there's stocks heavily with index and mutual funds yielding around a 9% return. Well, if you were 45, you would only have to put $1,600 in a month, or roughly around $20,000 a year. And then again, by the time you're 65, you would have $1 million saved. Now it says right here at a 9%, if you were 40 years old, not 45, you'd only have to put $950 away. So look at the difference between $950 and $1,600. Those 5 years make a difference. So if you can start, if you're watching this and you're under 45 years old, these numbers you would have to put a little less in. If you're watching this and you're a little bit over 45, 52, 51, 47, you're going to have to put a little bit more money in. Again, how much money a 45-year-old would have to invest to become a millionaire by age 65? So on this channel, we do talk about cryptocurrency. We do talk about stocks. Saving is super important. So this is a little saving tip about saving your money. Again, I don't know how old you are. This is based on 45 years old. You got a 3% category, a 6%, and a 9%. Here's the moral of the story. Make sure you save. As you're saving, you can also do your investing with your savings. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming video. Saitama Inu. All right, do you have some of this? Let's head back over. All right, we're back over at the website. This is, I think, 30 seconds.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today. by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, Saitama Inu, what are your thoughts? Let's head back over to CoinMarketCap. All right, we got about 7 zeros and a 51.16. What are our price prediction? Going back to the last 3 months here. So all kinds of good things have been going on here with this cryptocurrency. Now, I think we're going to actually crush one of these zeros here in the first quarter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think one of the zeros are going to be crushed. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Saitama Inu token. It has passive income, deflationary currency, and anti-whale trap. Number one, let's look at this passion income system. 2% of every transaction of the Saitama is deducted and redistributed to our pool of holders. It means that just by holding it, you will see the numbers of the tokens increase automatically every day as the community transacts. Deflationary currency. In addition, 2% of the amount of the transaction is taken out of circulation, meaning that the token supply is consistently shrinking and making your Saitama Inu increase in value with time. We have already started with 49% of the supply burned. And the most important, anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make profits, but we want to make a profit for everyone. Saitama Inu is coded in a way that prevents big wallet holder whales from trying to manipulate the price in their favor or dumping the token by selling out. All right, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. So on this last one, this is again just launched a day ago. I told you I wanted to play this at the end for everybody. It's also on their Twitter account. Let's take a look at this. SAITAMASK app. Step 2. Step 3. Open it up. Create your account. Register. Log in. Name your wallet. Enter your email address. Create your password. Number 4, congratulations. You entered the code sent to your email provided and clicked Activate Account. Activate it. Number 5, choose between creating a new wallet or importing an existing wallet using the wallet seed phrase. Number 6, create a 6-digit password and make sure you save it. Confirm you understanding Saitama cannot help recover the password. Number 7. You will be given a 12-word phrase that you will have to click to reveal. Write these down in order, save them internally. Don't screenshot them. If you lose the seed phrase, you will lose access to your wallet forever. Number 8. Re-enter each word of the seed phrase. All right, everybody, that's right on the Twitter account. I just wanted to play that. It just launched, 2 minutes long, tells you how to do it. Go back there and check it out. Saitama Inu, lots of things going on. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. Not a financial planner, doing this for enjoyment, and we can all learn together. 45 years old, how to be a millionaire at 65. Take that up, look at it, 3%, 6%, 9%, add your age in there and figure it out. All right, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. It's Sunday, bonus video time. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.